Evolution is the branch of life science for the study of origin of life and evolution of different forms of life on the earth was called bioevolution or evolutionary biology by Mayer. Okay. So in evolution, we will study about the origin of life, how the life originated on the earth. And before that, we will study about how this universe formed and how the planets get constructed in our solar system. Okay. And according to the mayor, evolution of different forms of life on the earth is called bioevolution. Okay. It's called bioevolution. Bioevolution or evolutionary biology. The word evolution means unfold or to reveal the hidden potentialities of the organism that how they can be more evolved in a better way, okay, according to their changing environment. Evolution simply means an orderly changes from one condition to another. So you have to keep in mind that evolution is a change that happens in a order, okay. It is a orderly changes from one condition to another. As the condition changes of our environment, evolution took places. Okay, accordingly. Evolution is a slow process, but a continuous process which never stops. Right now, we are still under evolution. Okay, but our evolution is very slow. But these evolution process can never be stopped. Okay, this see COVID is the best example of evolution. Those which is fit for this condition, they get survived. Those who do not, they do not survive in the COVID situation. Okay, because their body, their immunity is very weak, which do not help them to cope with the COVID-19 virus. This is also a type of evolutionary process, which we can call it the survival of the fittest. Those those people which is very fittest for this condition, for uh, the condition which is under our earth is they get survived, and which do not, they get died. Okay. Hey, the evolution, it refers to the process of process that have transformed or changed life on earth from its earliest form to the vast diversity that we observe today. Any changes in the heritable traits with a population across the generation is considered as evolution. See, today on this earth, we have many varieties of plants, many varieties of animals. See, have you studied about the classification of organism, that is classification of plant kingdom, classification of animal kingdom?
No.
Okay, so in the plant kingdom, there is a phylum called this is called the bryophytes, where you will see that these are the liverworts, these are the hornworts, these are the mosses. After that, bryophytes developed into pteridophytes. After that, pteridophytes develop into gymnosperm, and the most evolved plants are called the flowering plants, which is called known as angiosperms. Okay,
Mhm.
angiosperms are the most evolved in the plant kingdom. Okay, and in the
Mhm.
animal kingdom, the phylum Chordata. phylum, Chordata, is the most evolved phylum. Okay.
Mhm.
So, can you tell me when you will study about these topics in your schools? Is it
Um,
in your grade 10 or in the next grade?
I'm not sure. I think this might be like next year or the year after.
So, when you will study these classification, after then you will study evolution, then you get more firm knowledge, firm grip on these concepts of evolution. Okay.
Mhm.
So, let's say something about the origin of life. What are these? Have you heard anything about the origin of life?
Mm, well, maybe.
Tell me what you know about that.
Uh, actually, I don't know.
Can you tell me when the universe is formed?
The Big Bang.
Year. It forms about 10 billion years ago. Okay.
Mhm.
10 billion years ago. Okay.
Mhm.
And when the earth formed in our universe, approximately 4.5 billion years ago. And on the earth, life originated about 4 billion years ago. Okay. Can you tell me how was the condition of earth atmosphere during that time when the life originated?
Uh, sorry.
Can you tell me the condition of earth's atmosphere during the process of origin of life? Is it reducing or oxidizing?
Oxidizing.
No, it is reducing because during that time there is no any molecular oxygen in the atmosphere of earth. Okay. So condition on earth at the time of origin of life. How these life forms are originated, we will study these things also. See, the temperature is very high at that time, and there is a lighter gases in the atmosphere at that time. There is a presence of lighter gases in the atmosphere, such as methane, ammonia, hydrogen, helium, water vapor also present. But there is a no O2 molecule. So because of that, we will say that at that time, the atmosphere is reducing. Can you tell me there is CO2 and O2? Which gas is more harmful for us?
CO2.
And what about O2?
It's not
How is
as
it not harmful for us?
we need oxygen to live.
And if I say that the oxygen which we inhale is the cause of many problems happens inside the body, then what you will say?
Mm, that it's
Have you
harmful?
heard about the free radicals?
No.
Okay, antioxidant food or the supplements or smoothies. Have you ever heard about the from your dietitian or in your class, biology class, that we have to eat antioxidant food?
No.
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 See, when oxygen is used for the various metabolic reactions, and some of them are mostly used in respiration process, that aerobic respiration is required for our body for the generation of energy. Most of
Mm-hmm.
the time there is a generation of free radicals, and these free radicals generate because of this oxygen. Okay, and these free radicals are not good for our body. Because of this, sometimes we have to take antioxidant as a medicine or as a supplement or as a food to
Mm-hmm.
remove free radicals from our body. And these free radicals makes our body fastens the aging process and develops many diseases inside our body if these free radicals does not get removed somehow from our body. Okay, that's
Mm-hmm.
why we have to add antioxidant in our food. Okay, so now you have a homework that you have to make a list of antioxidant food which is available in your city, and after that try to add these food in your diet. Okay, so oxygen is not a complete uh, hero in our life. This also works as a villain, but comparing to carbon dioxide, O2 is more helpful for us. Okay, not
Mm-hmm.
harmful for us, but not completely healthy for us too. You have also have you ever heard about the rusting of iron?
Yes.
How these happen?
It gets oxidized.
Yes, oxidation. Here also, because of oxygen, iron get rusted and worn out and completely get destroyed. Because of this oxygen, most of our food item, or we can say that organic food items, get oxidized and rotten. Okay, and because of this oxygen, there is a inert gas inside our packaged food. Okay, so that these food do not get in direct contact with the oxygen. So oxidation is the process through which material get completely destroyed. So the initial atmospheric condition is reducing on the earth. At that time, iron and nickel is found in the core of earth. UV rays are the energy source for the photochemical reaction. Energy source for photochemical reaction. So at present time, ozone in the atmospheric, there is a ozone layer in the atmosphere which prevents UV rays to strike on the earth, and except UV rays, rest of the solar radiation is used for the photochemical reaction right now by the help of chlorophyll, which we will call it photosynthesis. Okay. But at that time, due to the absence of UV rays, due to the absence of ozone layer in the atmosphere, UV ray is the prominent source of energy for the photochemical reaction. Okay. So these are the initial conditions on the earth. And we will study the significance of these conditions which help for the origination of life on the earth in our upcoming sessions. So the theory of, after that there is a so many theories developed to support the origination of life on the earth, and some of the theories are theory of a special creation, that a special creation means God. Okay, special creation means God. See, in the Bible, have you read the Bible?
No.
Okay. So there is there is a chapter of Genesis where it says that the, God created the first man called Adam and a first woman called Eve. And after that, these Adam and Eve, which is created by the God, this Adam and Eve continues the life of human on the earth. And there is also, according to the Bible, life and everything was created by the God in 6 days. Okay. And also, according to the Hinduism, the world was created by the God Brahma. According to it, life has not changed ever since its origin. Okay. So a special creation theory lacks scientific evidence, so it is not accepted by the scientists. Okay. Do you ever read any religious scriptures?
No.
So do you know about, have you ever heard about the Dasa Avatar?
Yes.
And do you know the name of these avatars?
I
Related to which god? Can you tell me?
Vishnu.
Yes, Lord Vishnu. And can you tell me the name of these avatars?
Uh, I don't think I know all of them.
Okay, I will tell you. The first one is Matsya. a fish like human. Okay. And next one is kurm, turtle like human. Next one is varha, a wild pig. Next is Narasimha, and after that Vamana, and after that Parsurama. Next is Rama. Eighth is Krishna. Buddha. Hello.
Mm-hmm.
Hello.
Yes.
Yes. Connection is stable or not?
What?
Am I audible to you?
Yes.
To you?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So you have to keep in mind these three. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Because these three have a some analogy, or we can say that relation with our chapter evolution.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. As the modern theory accepted that life originate life originated inside the water. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And after that, we will see that when you will study the evolution, that how the life originated from the originated inside the water, and how they come on the land, there how these evolution took place. You will see the relation